Good afternoon, myself Vaibhav, and my topic is liquefaction of soil. Liquefaction of soil is nothing but losses of strength in saturated soil and cohesionless soil because of increased pore water pressure, and hence it is reduced effective stress due to dynamic loading. And it is phenomena in which the strength and stiffness of a soil is reduced by earthquake shaking or other rapid loading. So causes behind liquefaction is it is recognized to the condition that exists in a soil deposit before earthquake. In order to identify liquefaction, soil is basically an assemblage of many soil particles which stay in contact to neighbor soil, you can say, in the pressure. And past record of liquefaction, here we are taking four records. The first one is Alaska in USA in 1964. Second one is Niigata, that is Japan, and 1964. And third one Loma in USA, that is 1989. And last one is Kobe, that is in Japan, 1995. Here earthquake accompanies with liquefaction have been also observed for many years. In fact, written records are dating by hundred and thousand of years. So method of reducing the liquefaction of soil, there are mainly three methods. First method is by avoiding liquefaction, suspend soil, and second one is build liquefaction resistant structure, and third one is improve the soil. First one method is by avoiding liquefaction suspected to soil. That is nothing but construction of liquefaction suspected soil to be avoided, and it is liquefaction by characteristics of soil particular building site according to the various criteria available to the determining and liquefaction potential of the soil in a site. And second one is build liquefaction resistant structure. That is the structure constructed what we are going to construct the structure, but before the constructed the structure, liquefaction resistance, that is designing the foundation element, and this is the effect of the liquefaction to construct the structure of liquefiable. And the last method is improve the soil. Means how to improve the soil if suppose bearing capacity is very low. So this involves mitigation of the liquefaction hazard by the improving the strength density and drainage. That drainage is our parameter that is very important characteristics of the soil. So this can be done using the various soil improvement techniques. And the ground failure resulting from soil liquefaction, that is NRC, means National Research Council. It has given three types of ground failure commonly associated with the soil liquefaction in the earthquake. First one is sand boil resulting in the lava. And second one is failure of the retaining wall. Third is ground settlement. Fourth is the failure of slope, and last one is losses of bearing capacity resulting in foundation of failure. Method and experiment, that is simply here we will go for CSR, means cyclic shear stress ratio, that is induced by earthquake ground motion, and that formula is CSR 0.65. Then whole bracket sigma v sigma max divided by sigma dat max into RD, where RD is the stress reduction coefficient that accounts of the flexibility of the soil column. And use of the, and here we will use SPT blow, means standard penetration test, and CPT tip resistance count. So normally we will take around 15 counts, or we can go for maximum 50, but more than 50 is not possible. So and here we will take magnitude scaling factor, that is we are denoted by MSF, that is CSR, means cyclic shear stress ratio, divided by CSR M grade 7.5, that overburden correction factor K. It is studied by Blunger and Idris in year 2004. It is found that overburden stress effect on PCR could be represented in either of two ways. First one is through the additional normalization of penetration, and second one is through a K factor, that is a K curve are expressed. So there are many formulas, and whatever data I used, that is the railway overbridge in Rania, that in Jhansi Road, district Kanpur Jihad in Uttar Pradesh. So at the last we after calculation all the data, we find the result that soil at 1.5 meter depth below the ground surface is not susceptible to liquefaction, and there is many data. So that are the presentation, the liquefaction of the soil. Thank you.